Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize notifications in Google Chat on iOS. Alright, so you can open the Google Chat apps or you can open the Gmail account and to customize the notification you can click three lines in the top left corner and you can select settings. And then you can select a notification, so select the do not disturb, and you can select this one. You can select the turn off or the time, and you can select the until a specific time. Okay, just click set and up to done. You can click done. Alright, that's how you can turn the Google Chat notification in sorry, that's how you can customize notification in Google Chat on iOS. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.